Our segment for today is air crash investigation. Oh, what's that?
Terrorist disaster,
What happened?
cause of zero visibility,
So, how many fatalities?
583.
Boom! Galing ah! 583. Two Boeing 747 collided.
On the runway, during takeoff and fall.
Dense fog.
Dense fog.
Okay. This one.
Japan 123.
JAL 123.
Yeah, Japan 123.
What happened?
Caused by a faulty repair from years ago because of a chain strike.
Tail strike, no? Saan locations yung damage niya? Yun, no? Sa bulkhead. So, bulkhead failure. Improper repair. Okay. Ilan ang fatalities?
520. I already knew that. And
This one.
chartered doctrine collision. As an IL-76 Kazakhstan cargo airline was delivering cargo when suddenly it collided with the Saudi Arabian Airlines 747-200.
Oo, ilan namatay dyan? Ilan fatalities?
I think, I forgot. Maybe all.
Oh. Yan. Charkhi Dadri. So, 345 died. Mid-air collisions near Delhi, India.
Wait, is that me or it's a leg?
No, dead yan. Newspaper. Okay? Mid-air collisions. So, tama oh. Ano yung IL-76 aircraft type?
Yeah, that's an IL-76. Issued with IL-76.
Made from ano yan?
Russia.
Russia.
Or Ukraine.
Ukraine. O,
Next,
to.
that's Turkish Airlines 981.
981? O, anong
Yeah.
aircraft ba yan?
DC-10.
O, ano nangyari dyan?
Caused by a faulty repair on one of the cargo, what they call that?
Cargo? Cargo door?
Yeah. And crashed into a forest.
Crash into the forest. How many dead?
All survived. All
Yan o.
died. See?
Sa cargo.
It crashed into a forest.
Forest. Ayan o. Cargo door failure. Design flow. O, last for the event for this day.
Air India 182.
182.
Yes.
What happened?
Caused by a bomb.
Bomb?
That